In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change settings in Google Slides step by step. Whether you're adjusting the layout for a school project, a client presentation, or just personalizing your slides, this guide will make sure you know exactly where to go and what to do. Let's dive in. First, open up your presentation in Google Slides. Once it's open, head to the top left corner and click on the File tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, scroll down and select Page Setup. Now, this is where you can fully control the look and size of your slides. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see a few preset options, such as standard 4:3, widescreen 16:9, and widescreen 16:10. If one of these works for your needs, you can select it right away. But if you want something more tailored, click on Custom. Here you can type in your own dimensions. For example, maybe you want square slides for a social media post or vertical slides for a flyer style design. Just enter the width and height. Pick the unit of measurement, whether it's inches, centimeters, points, or pixels, and then click Apply. Your entire presentation will instantly resize to the new setup. Don't worry, your content will still be there. You might just need to adjust a few text boxes or images to fit the new layout perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the settings in Google Slides. It's a simple but powerful way to customize your presentations and make them look exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.